check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello everyone, the weather forecasters promised us a very pleasant day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. My name is Derek Ray. With me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Spanish top flight, La Liga. It's Cadiz taking on Real Madrid.
Yeah, Derek, cracking atmosphere as usual here. That will lead to a nervy, energetic start. Frenetic, fast play to begin with before it all settles down. I'm really looking forward to this one.
Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. What do you anticipate seeing from him here, Lee?
Well, the more you give this lad the ball, the better the team normally plays. He switches the ball, he links play from left to right, up and down the pitch. He keeps possession, a brilliant player.
It sounds right, boys.
The lineup for the hosts today. A standard 4-4-2, a formation you know well from your playing days, Lee.
Yeah, I like this formation, Derek. It's very, very important that when they haven't got the ball, they all stick together. Very solid look about it. When they don't have the ball, very important that they stay close together in midfield. The back four will link across the width of the pitch, but they've got to help the forwards. The two up front need width.
And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Ferland Mendy plays with Alvaro Odriozola in the fullback positions. Luka Modric plays with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. Modric. Here is Marco Asensio. Benzema. Nicely cut out. Throw-ins given. Fali. Toni Kroos. Juan Cala. And winning it back. Now they've lost it. Anthony Lozano. He's got the right idea with that pass. Terrific block from Marcelo. Cleared away. Vinicius Junior. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest!
Well, as we look at this again, what they always say, focus on the ball, ensure you strike it cleanly. He's done just that. What a finish.
Well, let's take another look at that goal, shall we? Well, the action underway. Can Real find a response now?
Con el 7, Salvi Sánchez.
Toni Kroos. This is Kroos. The ball with Luka Modric. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. He takes aim. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. They take it short. Well, he knew what he was doing defensively with the concession of that throw-in. Mendy. Here's Kroos. Vinicius Junior. Mendy. Is with Vinicius Junior. Mendy. Now Isco. Benzema. This could level it. Able to get his body in the way. Odriozola. Asensio. Can he open them up here? Eder Militao.
Well, Real Madrid at possession stats over the last 15 minutes has been dominating. They've shown that in midfield. Their forwards have been lively. Surely just a matter of time, Derek, before they get back into this game.
Vinicius Junior. Mendy. Vinicius. Here's Kroos. Isco. Will they get themselves level here? And a goal! The keeper couldn't stop it. Real Madrid on terms.
Well, here we'll see it again. Some lovely quality passing. Fluid as you like. But then there's plenty to do from there. He's hit it so well. Lots of pace, lots of power. And the keeper just can't react in time. Great strike. Well, the happy times are back. The coach is more than delighted by his team's response.
So, a level contest, 1-1.
Marca el Madrid. Con el 9, Benzema.
There to win it back. Modric. On to Benzema. Isco. Modric. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. Opportunity in the wide area. Well-timed tackle. Toni Kroos. And we will have just one additional minute. Mendy. Isco. This is Kroos. Nice looking pass. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. Not to be too blunt about it, but this has been a struggle for him up front, Lee.
Yeah, he's barely had a sniff at goal. Those defenders have marshalled him pretty well. He needs to find a bit of magic if he's to help his side win today, but it all starts with testing the goalkeeper, Derek.
Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest. He takes aim. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. Vinicius. Isco. Well, they get themselves level here. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Karim Benzema. Modric. This is Kroos. Kroos. Mendy. Getting in there to take it away. Anthony Lozano. Lozano. Espino. Effective looking pass. Well, they keep passing away. He has time to play it over. Well, good play to stop the ball going in. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Substitution for Real Madrid.
Con el 22, Isco. Entrará en el terreno de juego con el 15, Valverde.
Espino. Jens Jönsson. The cross was played over, but Marcelo gobbled it up. Valverde. Benzema. And Valverde. Dangerous looking attack. A very good tackle. This might be ideal for the counter. Can they take advantage of the situation? Well, the pass not finding its target. Toni Kroos. Asensio. And now Odriozola. Kroos. They're certainly allowing their opponents to come onto them to take the lead. And there's the goal. And it's not as though we didn't predict it.
Well, if you spend most of the game in and around your own box, this is bound to happen. They need to try and get at least 30 to 40 yards further up the pitch. Well, here's the replay, and as we see, it's a class ball through to split the defence and then through on goal. Do you go for placement or do you go for power? Well, he certainly wasn't messing around, was he? Absolutely smashes it past the keeper. It's a really lovely finish. Well, he's got to be delighted with his players. A big smile on his face. They've got the noses in front. They're in the lead. Well done.
Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. Alex Fernandez. Espino. Good looking ball. They do pass the ball with authority. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. Eder Militao. The ball with Luka Modric. Vinicius Junior. Real danger. Course. Here's Valverde. Space and time for the cross. Carcelen. A real opening now. Good defending. Could be a chance to break here. Anthony Lozano. Now Salvi Sanchez. Lozano. It might be on for them. Well, mopping up defensively. Toni Kroos. Benzema. It's there for him. Keeper did his job to begin with. And still looking for space. Mendy. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior. Mendy. And teammates to play it to. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here.
Con el 9, Lozano. Entrará en su lugar con el 21, Rubén Sobrino.
Fali. And we will have just one additional minute. We have entered the final minute of normal time. That's a good-looking ball. Trailing as they are, they're not likely to get too many opportunities late in this game. Crossed into the penalty area, making sure nothing on... And that is the end of the game. It goes into the books as a win for Real Madrid. Lee, how did you see their performance?
Well, wins like that, when there's nothing between the sides, seem more valuable somehow. Really tight game that was.
And the shining light for his side, Karim Benzema.
Well, that was a really, really good performance from the lad, and a goal to boot. Really delighted with that goal, I'm sure he is.